Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. So first you need to swipe down the right screen and then check this area. If you turn on sleep or do not disturb mode, you're not gonna receive any incoming calls notification. So you need to turn it off. And next you need to check the button on the left hand side of the iPhone. If you turn the silent mode on like this, you need to turn it off. And next, just in case the sound ringing of your iPhone is too small, go to the setting and go to sounds and haptics and adjust the volume of your notification. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful.